Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. There are moments in life when everything feels heavy, when we feel like giving up, when we feel unseen, unheard, and alone. But remember this, the one who created you never leaves you. Allah knows every tear you hide, every silent dua you whisper, and every hardship you fight through. Today's reminder is simple. Don't give up. Allah is closer to you than you think. Sometimes you wonder, why is my life so hard? You see others succeeding, while you keep failing. You make dua every night, yet nothing seems to change. But Allah says in the Qur'an, indeed, Allah is with the patient. Surah Al-Baqarah 2-153. This struggle you're facing, it's not a punishment. It's a test to elevate you. Every pain is recorded. Every effort is rewarded. Every tear brings you closer to Jannah. The Prophet ﷺ said, when Allah loves a servant, He tests him. So if you're being tested right now, maybe it's not because you're weak. Maybe it's because Allah sees strength in you that you don't see yet. Just like gold is tested through fire, believers are shaped through hardship. You might think no one understands your pain, but Allah says, I respond to the caller when he calls upon me. 2-186. Your duas never go unheard. Maybe they're delayed. Maybe they're answered in a different form. Or maybe Allah is saving something better for you in the Akhirah.